Have you ever taken a look at the darlings of the stock market? You know, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and traced back their 100x plus returns and thought, if only I would have put in $1,000 back then, I'd have $1 million today. I know, let's all have a moment of silence for our shoulda-woulda-coulda $1,000 investment in Apple way back when that would now be able to fund our retirement. Well, as investors, we can do one of two things. We can dwell on the past and think about the financial freedom we might have had, or we can find the next opportunity for a 10 to 100x return and deploy our cash to make incredible returns and hedge ourselves against any looming financial disaster. So where are all-star financial minds searching for the next 10 to 100x opportunity? Cryptocurrency. You've all heard of it, especially Bitcoin, which is by far the most well-known. So how has it performed in the last 5 years? In 2011, the price went from 20 cents to $20. That's 100x. In 2013, the price had traced back to $10, but then proceeded to rocket to $230. In 2014, the price fell back to $100 and then soared to an all-time high of $1,000. So, if you had invested in Bitcoins in 2011 and left it alone for 5 years, well below the normal buy and hold horizons of 20-30 years, you would have gotten a 5,000x return on your investment. Or, to put it in terms more relatable to an average situation, a mere 1% allocation of a $50,000 portfolio in 2011 would have yielded over $2.5 million. That's a return to write home about. Now I know what you're thinking. You missed the boat on Bitcoin. Too late, no good. Well, I'm here to tell you that Bitcoin is not finished growing. In fact, it's just getting started, and I'm already preparing for its next 10x move. And there are other currencies that are emerging beyond Bitcoin, with more becoming legitimized every single year. Ever heard of Ethereum? The second largest cryptocurrency by market cap? It popped from $1 to $15 earlier this year in just a few weeks. So the answer is no, you haven't missed the boat. In fact, now is the perfect time to start investing in cryptocurrencies for a few reasons. These are still young markets, which means there's a lot of opportunity for hedge to those who have the proper knowledge. There will be opportunities to 10x, 50x, even 100x your investment with proper timing, research, and grit. The game is young, and most of the players haven't even looked at the rulebook. Hint, don't be one of them. Even though these markets are young, they've matured beyond their infancy, where volatility and skepticism made it difficult to invest. Cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more accepted as a store of value, just like gold. That means when major currencies like the US dollars are in turmoil, people will flock to these alternative currencies like Bitcoin for safety. If you're in early, prepare for the rocket ship up. We've seen the stock market experience a major collapse twice in the last 15 years. It's critical to diversify and hedge against the next collapse that may be right around the corner. All this sounds great, but it certainly isn't easy. Managing cryptocurrency as part of your portfolio is tricky. You have to know which platform is best for you to purchase cryptocurrencies and trade them on an open market that is safe. You need to know how to properly store your cryptocurrency reserves. It's not like gold or cash where you can just put it in a safe. And you need to know how to properly manage a portfolio of cryptocurrency so you know how to respond to market volatility and trends. And there aren't any good resources out there to teach this. No one has written a textbook or teaches a class on cryptocurrencies since they're still so new. So I decided to make one myself. Who am I? I'm Alex Fortin. I'm an online entrepreneur and investor who has built multiple online businesses and now help others do the same. Financial freedom is my middle name. Okay, it's not actually, but it's my mission to help others shape their financial destiny. I began studying and investing in Bitcoin a few years ago, and today it's all I do 24/7. I begin my day with coffee and cryptocurrency and go to sleep dreaming about the blockchain. I've had the good fortune to interview the brightest mind in this field, including traders, investors, and the founders of the most popular cryptocurrencies. But I'm not just about theory. I put my money where my mouth is, and I have 100% of my assets invested in cryptocurrencies. So you know I have massive skin in this game. I believe that cryptocurrency will have an impact on the same order of magnitude as the internet. And I've taken the hours of studying, trading, and profiting of cryptocurrency and created my course, Crypto Investing Pro. The basic explained in simple terms. This would be your one-stop shop to get an overview on not only what cryptocurrencies are with some of their history, but also how to build, manage, and protect a cryptocurrency portfolio that you can use to achieve massive returns and protection from negative global economic environments. And here's a look at what you're going to be learning in this course over the course of 40 plus videos. Why now is the perfect time? I'm going to give you an overview of why now is the perfect time to begin investing in cryptocurrency. We'll take a look at the current global economics, and I'm going to talk about the main indicator beyond another 10x pop for Bitcoin. We'll take a look at the advantages of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin compared to investments like gold, stocks, and bonds. You'll learn the primary reason why you need to add cryptocurrencies to your portfolio in 2017 and beyond. We're going to go deep into analysis on cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin that hold the brightest futures and highest returns. How to choose a winner. We'll look at the key identifiers and indicators to look for so you can identify the next Bitcoin and buy early. You'll be able to take this knowledge to assess any cryptocurrency so you can build and diversify your portfolio. Buying and selling on an online exchange. We'll walk through step by step how to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on an online exchange that is safe and reliable. Don't worry if you're not technical. This lesson will teach you everything you need to know. How to store and protect your cryptocurrency. We'll go through the exact measures to take to keep your cryptocurrency safe by exploring the difference between cold and hot storage, which wallet you should use, mistake to avoid, and much more. And as a bonus, a deep analysis into Ethereum, the second most popular cryptocurrency. And because I want to make sure that you achieve massive success with this course, here are 3 high-value extras. The secret file. I'll take you through the top 100 cryptocurrencies and provide commentary on which ones are worth your time and which ones will waste it. If you want to expand your earning potential beyond Bitcoin, this extra is perfect for you. My little black book. I'm sharing with you my entire laundry list of useful resources that I personally use on a daily or weekly basis when trading, storing, or spending my cryptocurrency. This value-packed book contains the best place to buy mining equipment, plus a tutorial on how to start mining at home, the best places to trade Bitcoin at the best available price, the top site to monitor and analyze the price of different cryptocurrency, extra resources for stats, graphics, and historical charts of the Bitcoin and Ethereum network, exclusive sign-up links to the live chat channels where you can talk and ask questions directly to the developer in the community of the most popular cryptocurrencies, the most trusted wallet to store your cryptocurrency, the best places to spend your Bitcoin online, my most trusted cryptocurrency news sites, a private Facebook mastermind group. Stay in touch with the other members of the group here, share insights, and you'll get a free 14 days trial to my VIP twice a month call, where you'll learn how to apply to your cryptocurrency portfolio the wisdom and knowledge of the richest and smartest investor of our time, like Warren Buffett, CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, Benjamin Graham, author of The Intelligent Investor, and many more. Books are the best source of wisdom, and that's why I'll review a new investment book every 2 weeks. Those investors have outperformed the stock market year after year for decades, and you'll be able to apply their knowledge to your cryptocurrency portfolio. but also to other areas of your life. And as a VIP member, you also get access to my market updates where I share with you in real time the trades I make. You'll be able to copy move by move my entire portfolio. You'll no longer be left in the dark and you'll know if you should buy or sell. I invest for the long term, so I only do a very small amount of trade every year. You'll get instantly notified when I make a trade. So no more guessing game should you buy or sell. You'll be able to copy move by move exactly what I do and build a profitable cryptocurrency portfolio over time. This is by far the most comprehensive cryptocurrency course available, period. My number one goal is to make sure you're equipped with the skills, knowledge, and mindset to achieve financial success investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This course is open for a limited time and it will be months, likely longer, until I open it up again. Why? Because I want to devote my time and energy to the success of those who are committed to learn right now. Remember, it's risk-free to join because of my 30 days no question asked money back guarantee. So don't be the investor who looks back on cryptocurrency with regret, wishing that they had taken the time to study and deploy the capital to make 10 to 100x. Click the big orange button below to get started. You'll be taken to an order form where you'll enter your information. Once you submit it, you'll get instant access to all the videos, bonuses, and your free trial of our VIP membership. Will this course make me rich? The answer is, it depends. I'm not going to promise you results. What I'm going to promise is to equip you with all the knowledge, tools, and techniques that you can use to go out and achieve the results you're looking for when investing in cryptocurrency. I know next to nothing about cryptocurrency. Is this course for me? Absolutely. I'm going to start from the ground up and teach you all of the basic history and knowledge before we move into practical application. Zero cryptocurrency experience is required for this course. How much money do I need to invest? You can literally begin with only a few dollars or even a few cents if you prefer and grow your investment over time. The fantastic thing about cryptocurrency investing is that financial barrier to entry is very low. Remember our example where $500 would have netted you $2.5 million. The most important thing is that you actually get started. Do you offer a money back guarantee? Yes. If you're not 110% satisfied with this course, just send an email to alex@alexfortin.com and I'll provide you with a refund, no question asked. Just click on the big orange button below.